In today's consumer-centric landscape, you need a trusted partner to help you deliver consistent and rewarding experiences. Intouch Insight leads the way for multi-location brands to exceed customer expectations, solidify brand reputation, and boost financial outcomes. Our customer experience solutions collect data from multiple touchpoints and transform it into actionable steps. This approach has helped us earn the trust of some of the world's largest and most beloved quick-service restaurant brands and petro-convenience chains, as well as one of the 3 top global technology companies and one of the top 2 beverage manufacturers. Intouch is committed to exceeding customer expectations, enabling our customers to do the same. Throughout our history of over 40 years, this has been the guiding principle when serving our customers and growing our business. Through acquisition, over the years, we have welcomed several well-recognized mystery shopping and technology brands into the Intouch family. Thanks to the organizations that have joined us, we have broadened our services, technology offerings, and geographic reach. As a result, today we are one of the world's premier mystery shopping providers. Developed with a personal, dedicated approach, our software is designed to help multi-location brands achieve operational excellence and build customer loyalty. In addition to our wide array of solutions, we empower brands to stay ahead of the curve with our industry-recognized reports, such as the annual drive-thru study, the Convenience Store Trends Report study, the annual Emerging Experiences study, and many more. With a people-first approach to innovation, Intouch Insight helps multi-location brands earn customers for life.